A quick addendum for the main curiosity thinking tool video. Just some attempted classifications of different types of curiosity. So, some types of curiosity include diversive, which is seeking novelty, or epistemic, seeking deep knowledge, and social, seeking to understand others. Uh, Other categorizations distinguish between situational, such as temporary interest, and dispositional, having a lifelong trait of curiosity, or between curiosity driven by interests, joyful exploration, versus deprivation, if you have a lack of information and you need to know. There's also a difference between take it apart so I can put it back together curiosity, which is an interplay between analysis and synthesis, or the taking a step back and to see the big picture curiosity, which is abstraction. You could also imagine, zooming in, which would be also moving through layers of abstraction. Other ways to organize curiosity. So we could start with joyous exploration. This is the prototype of curiosity, the recognition and desire to seek out new knowledge and information, and the subsequent joy of learning and growing. There's also deprivation, sensitivity. This dimension has a distinct emotional tone, with anxiety and tension being more prominent than joy, pondering abstract or complex ideas, trying to solve problems, and seeking to reduce gaps in knowledge. There's also stress tolerance. This dimension is about the willingness to embrace the doubt, confusion, anxiety, and other forms of distress that arise from exploring new, unexpected, complex, mysterious, or obscure events. There's social curiosity, wanting to know what other people are thinking and doing by observing, talking, or listening in to conversations. And then there's thrill seeking, the willingness to take physical, social, and financial risks to acquire varied, complex, and intense experiences. Another way of organizing it is by focus or motivation. So diverse curiosity, broad interest in novelty, variety, and new things, providing an exciting and stimulating experience. Epistemic curiosity, the desire to gain deep knowledge and understanding about a specific topic or idea, focusing on building a comprehensive understanding. And social curiosity, an interest in the thoughts, feelings, and behaviors of other people, which can be outward, direct interaction, or covert, snooping and gossiping. There's interest curiosity, sometimes called I curiosity, the pleasurable aspect of wanting to learn for learning's sake, driven by a genuine interest in the topic. And then deprivation curiosity, or D curiosity, a restless, sometimes unpleasant need to fill a gap in information or knowledge. This curiosity could also be organized by duration or nature, so situational curiosity, temporary or fleeting interest in a specific topic or situation that is triggered by circumstance, or dispositional curiosity, a lifelong trait or tendency to be curious across many situations, often stemming from a cultivated habit of mind. It's curiosity by direction, so inward curiosity, exploring one's own inner world, values, and what is meaningful to them, or outward, exploring the external world, including other people, cultures, and places. And then there's beyond oriented curiosity, exploring things that are not necessarily physical, such as the divine, the consciousness, or future generations. Our curiosity can be shaped by the role we are occupying. When we are in the middle of a task or the like, we can naturally filter everything else out. I wonder how much we miss because we are too busy pretending to be what we think a person should be. So pay attention to surprises, track down their source. Surprises are a gift from the universe, a small clue about what is actually going on.